Today we're staining this custom-built live edge ash table with one of our new water-based wood stain colors, Gray Stone. Now let's go over how to handle grain rays. I stained this wood panel and applied one coat of high performance flat. After your first layer of top coat is dry, run your hand over the surface. It'll feel fuzzy because water-based stains raise the moisture content of the wood, causing the fibers to swell. Don't worry, grain rays is normal. I'll show you how to knock it down for a smooth finish. I'm just going to take a 220 sanding pad and just do a light sand, but don't be too aggressive. You don't want to cut through the color. All we want to do is knock down that grain. And this is ash. You can see how open this grain is. So I normally don't worry about it because the finish will take care of it. Perfect. And here's the table completed in a coat of toner and 2 coats of high performance flat. If our stains can work on this, they can work on anything. General Finishes is dedicated to testing, evaluating, and advancing our water-based finishes with the highest quality ingredients and leading-edge water-based technology. Learn more about these wood stains and other GF products at generalfinishes.com. General Finishes. We make tomorrow's finishes today.